I'm Tiffany Beers, and I'm providing you with footwear innovation insights for the FDRA's footwearinnovation.com. Now, at CES 2020, the running shoe brand Asics showed up with a bunch of shoes with a bunch of sensors in them. Now, Asics has partnered with the Japanese sensor company called No New Folk. Now, No New Folk has had shoes out, one in particular called the Orphe Track, that has sensors in each shoe. Now, the sensors that were in Asics shoe, we do know that they had 3 different levels of sensor in there. There was a 6-axis motion sensor, there was also a barometric pressure sensor, and the third sensor was vibration sensors. Now, we didn't get a ton of explanation of what was actually happening or why Asics was doing it, or if they were launching a new shoe with sensors, but what they were doing was running people through their proprietary run analyzer. Now, they were taking videos of people running in different shoes, comparing them, showing them the difference, talking about ankle movement, all kinds of things to improve a runner's efficiency. They were also doing runs where you could ride the Evo Ride, which had the 2 sensors in it, and the Glide Ride. Now, the big difference here between other shoes and other brands that have had sensors in them is usually they only have it in one shoe, and usually they're just measuring your cadence. You know, they're giving you the typical stats like a watch would even off of a shoe sensor. So your speed, your cadence, maybe ground contact in some cases, but these sensors were actually providing you with much more information, partially because they have all of the different sensors within them. So they were giving you ground contact and cadence as expected. They were also giving you overall efficiency, vertical movement, landing load, kicking force, foot strike, foot height. And they were comparing both right to left shoes so you could understand if you had a symmetrical gait or you had asymmetry. Now, this is super important for runners because runners love improved efficiency, right? It can make a difference in a run. So this is some great new innovation that Asics is looking at. Now, we don't know what they're planning to do with it. They didn't talk about launching a brand new shoe with sensors in it, but I have to assume they're going to be soon. This is a whole different level, especially when you look at the precision of some of these sensors and the cost, especially having it in both shoes. So I can't wait to see what Asics comes out with, and especially the price point. I'm Tiffany Beers, providing you with footwear innovation insights for the FDRA's footwearinnovation.com.